everybody. Today we are at a little creek crossing. You can see the deer there kind of in the distance. And this water comes out of the ground about 30 feet behind the camera. And we see a lot of birds, including a bunch of robins and some quail, and I think a couple of starlings. This was in the middle of October when a lot of robins were migrating through. Towards the end, we'll see a big buck in the yard, so stay tuned for that. It's kind of funny to see how the cats come out of their little room in the mornings. Did you ever wonder what Muffy does when you're not watching her? This coming up is pretty funny. She is looking for something to play with. She didn't catch anything, she's just bored and she wants to play. So the rest of this is Muffy and Pepper. I think this is Pepper climbing up the post that the camera is on. Join me in these videos to see some more awesome animals. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and don't forget to smash that like button. Thanks so much for watching.